Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Academy of Conceptual Education. First of all, I would like to thanks all of you जिन्होंने अब तक सब्सक्राइब किया है और मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक किया है और होपफुली आपको ये वीडियो भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगी अपने मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स को क्लियर करने के लिए. So please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So today we are going to discuss because mostly questions ने students ने हमें question किया है कि हमें we need practice questions for mean, range and mode. Previous videos के अंदर we have discussed mean और mode को हम डिटेल में इसका concept discuss कर चुके हैं. आज हम range को भी discuss करेंगे and then we will solve few practice questions related to range. So before that we will discuss that our learning objectives for today is that today we are going to discuss that how to find mean, range and mode for non-repeating list of numbers. Then for repeating list of numbers, or you can say when the frequency distribution table is given to you, then we will discuss that how to find mean, range and mode. Then for group data list, so let revise the previous topic कि हमने लास्ट दो वीडियोस में हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है. हमने डिस्कस किया था, आई होप कि आप सब ने इसको यू मस्ट हैव रिवाइज्ड और आपने वो वीडियोस देखी होंगी. अगर नहीं देखी तो उसका जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. यू कैन विजिट एंड यू कैन रिव्यू द मीन एंड मोड कॉन्सेप्ट, जिसमें वी हैव डिस्कस दैट हाउ टू फाइंड मीन फॉर द लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स फॉर नॉन रिपीटिंग लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स. ये आपके सामने है और इसको हमने वीडियो को पॉज करके इसका मीन फाइंड करें. और अगर आपको इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन गो टू द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड व्यू द प्रीवियस लेसन और प्रीवियस वीडियो related to mean. Second one is how to find mean for the list of repeating numbers. तो इसमें we will discuss कि सबसे पहले we will use this formula and we have discussed in detail that how to use this formula. Before that you need to make a frequency distribution table and we have discussed that what this symbol shows. This symbol shows that the summation or sum up. Then we have discussed that how to find mean for the list of repeating numbers or when the frequency is high. You can see here in this example that here you cannot find out the mean. आप directly इसको mean find नहीं कर सकते कि sum of all the numbers divided by the count. Total numbers जितने भी हैं उनको count. So it's better कि आप इसका frequency distribution table बनाएं. So you can make a frequency distribution table कि data value 2 की frequency क्या है, it's 3 as it occurs thrice. 3 दफ़ा ही आ रहा है इस पूरी list of numbers में. So data value 3 की frequency आप देख सकते हैं and then we can use the formula. इसको हमने डिटेल में लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस किया था और इसकी वीडियो का लिंक जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है. So after that we have discussed that how to find mode for the list of repeating numbers. ये quite simple है, इसको भी हमने काफ़ी डिटेल में डिस्कस किया था. और अगर आप इस एग्जांपल में भी देखें ये जस्ट रीइंफोर्समेंट है और ये रिवाइज किया जा रहा है कि आप इसमें देखें तो 6 is your mode. Then we have discussed that how to find mode for the list of non-repeating numbers. Let's say you can see here in this example कि इसमें अगर आपको mode find करना हो, in that case you have to make the group or you can try the group of 10 or 5. और इसमें हमने डिस्कस किया था कि we can see here that if you will try different group, let's say अगर 5 का ग्रुप ट्राई करेंगे तो मे बी हमारा रिजल्ट डिफरेंट आएगा. देन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दैट हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द मॉडल क्लास जिसमें मोस्ट रिपीटेड नंबर्स हों, वो दैट क्लास विल बी योर मॉडल क्लास. Okay, today we will discuss that how to find range for the list of numbers. Let's say you can see here an example that Mr. Kessler listed 9 digits on the blackboard. What is the range of these integers? Blackboard तो नहीं है, green board है, because so that it should be visible. अब आप ये देख सकते हैं कि 9 digits हैं और इसका आपने you have to find the range. अगर आप इसमें देखें तो first of all you have to arrange it in ascending order and then you have to find highest minus lowest and you will get your result. So you can see here in this example, but please remember one thing, that you need to keep this thing in mind that नेगेटिव साइन को आपने इग्नोर नहीं करना. मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, 19 माइनस 12 करते हैं, दैट्स इट. इट्स नॉट द अप्रोप्रिएट वे. अगर आप 19 माइनस -12 इट विल मेक इट प्लस एंड देन you can see the range here. Your range is 31. I hope कि रेंज का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होगा. कोई भी लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर हो, प्लीज कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड that first of all you need to arrange it in ascending order, least to greatest. So now we will solve few practice questions. The link is shared in the description, and then please open the Google slide on your device and do the task, or we will discuss it here. You can see it on my screen. So we will solve few practice questions related to mean and mod. So you can see here first please pause the video and you can solve it, and then we will discuss that how to find mean and mod for this frequency distribution table. You can see here that for mean, what you have to do, you can use the formula summation of fx by summation of f. And for mod, what you have to do, I hope the concept is clear. You can see here that this is the frequency distribution table, and you can easily find out the mod. Then solve this one question. You can see here that the mean, and you have to identify the model class. The model class is the most repeated number. So what you have to do, you have to use the formula summation of fx by summation of f. And after that you can clearly identify the model class. It's quite simple right now. You can see here that the frequency for this class is quite higher, so your model class will be this one. So another example, another task for you. You have to identify the mean and then you have to identify the model class. And this one is quite simple, that in this you have to find out the mean, mod and range for each list of numbers. Now remember one thing, that in these 4 tasks, if you will have any problem, I will recommend you that please go to the previous 2 lessons and understand the concept of mean and range. And after that, please do visit this video and try to solve these tasks. Lesson 1 and lesson 2 we have discussed it in detail. Please do visit those videos and clear the concept. Today's class, what we have done, we have just revised. We have discussed that how to find mean values, mod and range for repeated numbers, for non-repeated list of numbers, and for FDT. What is FDT? FDT is basically frequency distribution table. And then at the end we have discussed it for the group data. The last 3 टास्क जो थे वो ग्रुप डेटा लिस्ट के ही थे, जिसके अंदर हमारे पास ग्रुप थे और वी हैव डिस्कस कि हाउ टू फाइंड मीन, रेंज एंड मोड. Hopefully you have enjoyed the lesson, and if you have any question please do ask in the comment section. And one thing more, that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So thank you once again.